good house for a long time, huh?
Yeah, I hope it will be again one day.
This is, it's hard to put into words. It's very emotional to see you place like this, you know, something you work so hard for. It's just, I'm kind of numb, to tell you the truth. Okay, my lucky hunting cap. I was glad to get in here, get a couple things, but it keeps you up at night, makes you have bad dreams. Sometimes it tries to pull you down into that old hopeless state, but I mean, you can't give up. My insurance, I'm having a little problems with it. Yeah, I don't understand it, you know.
It's an engagement ring?
I think so, I think that's it. Set inside of a ring guard. We bought that many years ago. The 90s. I'm blessed that I got family here. My family's fine, nobody's hurt. That's the main thing. Because I think all this material stuff can be replaced. It's just emotional.
And the street sign went over.